Hi, this is Urvashi.
Hi, this is Saurabh and this is Falcor. Today we're going to show you guys a walkthrough of our beloved off-grid camper which is built on a Pajero Sport. It's really a dream build for us and we're going to show you guys what all has gone into it.
Absolutely. This is something we've really built with a lot of love. So let us take you around and see what's in it.
Let's go. Alright, so in this video, we are going to show you Falcor and the entire build in a few different sections. So first section, we will just look at how the exteriors of the car have been designed and what all modifications have gone into it. There's a fully functional kitchen which has been made. Then we will show you guys the kitchen. And there's a very interesting water management and a gas management system that we have created. We'll show you that. Then we will show you all the electricals and how that off-grid setup has been done. And fifth, we'll show you our camping equipment. So first, let's talk about the off-road bumper. So we love to go off-roads. And this kind of bumper gives us a better approach angle when we go off-roads. Plus it's sturdy enough so we don't have to be worried about putting our car anywhere. And I am that way a very adventurous and a spontaneous driver. I don't really think much about putting my car anywhere. And that's why this bumper kind of gives me a lot of confidence while doing that. So we have a off bumper which is designed by Ground Designs. He has done a superb job on it. And there is a entire skid plates which cover all the important parts of the cars. That goes all the way to the back so that we don't have to worry about anything hitting the car from the bottom. So we remodeled the existing wheel arches of Pajero Sport to give it a little sportier and sturdier look. So this is the modified wheel arches. Then this is a Snorkel by Dr. Nano. So this gives me a way better water wading capacity whenever we go off-road and we have to do water crossings. So that's a Snorkel. Then if we come here, same wheel arches. At the back, you see these are traction boards by Dr. Nano. So in case the car gets stuck in a mud or in a sandy situation, I can just dig a trench, use a traction board, which will make sure that even if we are just on our own, we should be able to recover the car. I'm going to talk about this section in a bit because there is something interesting that we have done to save space and create a very good access. Now, if we look at the top, this is the awning. And there is a rooftop tent. Both of the products are by Gava Overland. This is a pop-up rooftop tent, and then this is a collapsible awning. We will later show you guys, open it up and show it to you guys. While we were doing all these modifications, the weight of the car had increased a lot, almost by 250-300 kgs. We'll tell you why that was. So we decided to put in a lift kit. So there's a 25mm lift in the front. This is a Dr. Nano strut and the coil springs, and we have put a 40mm lift at the back. Now let's open the boot up and see what's inside. So this is a fully functional pull-out modular kitchen and a storage system. This is made with pine planks which are coated with epoxy resin. So this entire thing becomes completely waterproof, weatherproof. We made the frame in metal because when we go off-road, we don't really watch for our speeds. We wanted a structure which is extremely sturdy, so there is no rattling. So there's a metal frame and we've used pine planks. It made it a little heavy, but it's extremely sturdy and completely weatherproof.
These are the two water tanks made out of pure stainless steel. Total water capacity is 85 liters.
Now on top, we have kept this much of space for all the storage units. So this bag holds off all our camping chair, tables, beds. This is a crate. There's all the groceries that we carry from home. So whenever we have to go up, only thing that we carry with us is just this crate. We come down, we put this crate in the car and we are good to go.
Why is this mat here?
So this is part of our bar kit. In the evening, when we set up the bar, I'll show you what this is used for. Should we open up the kitchen?
Yes.
So these are straps which are used to hold things in place when you go off-roading and if you're at an incline. We didn't want to put any locking system unnecessarily, so these tie-down straps work really well. So this is the kitchen. It comes out, it goes even further, and that's how it looks. So these are two sections. One is for all the masalas in this thing. This is for the dry groceries like rice, dal, poha and other things. And this is where the stove is in between. Now this is the main kitchen drawer. There is a small storage drawer which is made here. This is a big storage drawer that holds all our vessels, all the cutlery, plates and everything else. And this is the best part, which I really love because I love cooking. There is a chopper. Wherever the food touches, we have used stainless steel, so there is no contamination that happens on the food. So this is what all the accessories which are needed for cooking and cleaning and garbage disposal. Now I'll show you all the accessories we use on the connector panel. The idea when we started building the car, the problem statement was we wanted to stop the car, get down from the car and have a cup of coffee in the next 5 minutes. That's why we wanted all the connections to happen extremely fast, and that's why we built this quick connector panel. So the first one is for drinking water. The second and the third one is used for filling the water tanks. The fourth one is for the LPG gas. One end connects to the tap, other end connects to the water outlet, and we have water. Now all we have to do for drinking water, this is the switch. I turn it on. Same goes for the wash basin. As simple as that. So now let me show you the entire quick connector panel, how it works. So all these pipes, we wanted the water pumps and the gas cylinder to have a very easy access to it. So Amit from Ground Designs came up with this idea. We figured that there's a huge empty space inside this section, so we cut all the fiber panels which were inside. He made a cut in the body. He made a fiberglass cover with a lock for it. So this way we have access to our cylinders and we have access to the water pumps which are here. So there are two water pumps, there is a gas cylinder, and from all of this the connections go there, and that's how we can use the quick connector panel. So now I'll show you the electricals in the car, which was a very important aspect of the off-grid camper. Next to that, what you see, this is the 500 watt inverter being pasted on top of the tent. This is the other one. From here, we have given connection to the main attraction, which is very, very necessary for us.